Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-sportline. And over the past 13 years, we have customized so many beautiful Model S's and Model X's throughout its span as being part of the lineup at Tesla. And as we all know, unfortunately, the Model S and the Model X are coming to an end later this year. And I recommend all of you to take advantage, if you haven't already, to go out and buy a brand new Model S and Model X and let us customize it for you as we have done so many times. Take a look at this 2026 Model X Plaid that has received a beautiful final edition treatment by my team and I at T-sportline. Starting off with the exterior, as you can see, this is the factory pearl white. And one thing I don't personally care for is all the textured plastic trim that's typically on a Model S or a Model X. And in this case, we did something that we've done plenty of times, and that is remove the textured panels that are on the wheel arches, side skirts, the rear diffuser, smooth them out, meticulously prep, and paint them body color to give the overall exterior a much better appearance. So as you can see, that's been done and it's striking. Next step is, I really love the gloss black window trim and underneath the side view mirrors, but the mirror caps were painted by Tesla in pearl white. And I like it when it's black because it all connects and flows. So we went ahead and did that. Now let's jump right into the wheels. 22-inch wheels, in my opinion, is the best look on a Model X. And these are the Pirelli tires that Tesla actually recommends and uses. And we went ahead and fit them with our very popular MX2022 22 spoke floating center cap wheels finished in gloss black. And behind the wheels, as you can see, the brake calipers, which were originally red because this is a Plaid, were painted pearl white to go ahead and match the exterior. So we've got this really nice pearl white, gloss black theme happening. Now, as we move to the rear of the vehicle, you'll notice that our carbon fiber wing spoiler has been installed. I love that. And then check out the new rear diffuser. Painted pearl white on the sides, a little bit sportier, carbon fiber center diffuser area, really sets the rear appearance off absolutely great. Now, what I'm most proud of this build is the interior, something that we take a lot of pride in. There's a lot of passion to take the kind of plain interior of a Model S or Model X and elevate it to a level of luxury that most of you want. Starting off with Bentley linen leather hides imported from the tanneries in Europe to go ahead and meticulously reupholster the complete interior of this car. Now, if you take a look, of course, it's obvious, right? The front and rear seats, all 6 seats, have been reupholstered. The center areas have been perforated so that the airflow cooling system and heating elements still function properly. The full door has been reupholstered, including the door caps, diamond quilted center inserts, white grille cloth for the speakers as opposed to the gray that was original, and the lower door as well has been reupholstered in Bentley linen. Now, because this is a Plaid, the interior decor is a very beautiful matte carbon fiber finish from Tesla. But that wasn't the theme we were going for on this one-of-a-kind interior. We refinished all 9 pieces in Tesla pearl white paint, bringing the exterior design element into the interior. Looks stunning. Now, as you can also see, we continued with that theme by painting the front outer side panels of the front seats where the controls are in pearl white. Underneath row 2, along with the controls, that's normally black plastic as well. We wanted to get rid of that. We've done carbon fiber so many times. This project was to be different. So continue with that beautiful pearl white paint underneath the seats and in the seat sides. This Model X truly is one of a kind, and you still have time to go out and get one from Tesla, bring it to us, and we can go ahead and reimagine it for you, take your vision, and make it a reality. Thank you so much for watching, guys. It's been a fun journey customizing Model S's and Model X's, and this is something that we will continue to do on used vehicles and new ones while available.